Welcome to another wonderful year of the Jamaica Observer Table Talk Food Awards 2025. In its 26th year, this is what you call legacy. This is what you call the epitome and the personification of excellence. From the food, to the people, to the fashion, to the hosts like me, Miss Kitty.
It is with immense pride that we welcome you to the 26th staging of the Jamaica Observer Tabletop Food Awards, a premier celebration of culinary innovation and excellence in Jamaica's food and beverage industry.
Yeah man, we're there at Food Awards 2025 and the vibes is light. You see we have the drinks in our heart.
Everything is amazing. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. It has been fantastic. The food, the vibes, the energy, and the people. It's amazing. I absolutely love it.
Full of culinary engagement. So if you miss them vibes, you know what to tell you, but make sure to stay there next year. Boom!